Hello, Locked On family. Luke Noonan here from Locked On, and it's that time of year again where we're going to get some community involvement with our Locked On Easter colouring competition campaign. Just like every year, we're going to give you a really nice email to send to your whole database with a colouring competition attached. This has been installed into all of your accounts now. So let's look at how you get it ready, test it, and then send it to your whole database. You'll go into the engine section of your database if you're an admin user of your Office, and you will go into templates and you will search for 2025 and you will see the Easter Colouring Competition 2025. When you hit the edit option, it will open up the template. This will have your logo at the top, a copy of the picture that the kids are going to be colouring in, and then we have all the text that you need to edit. To edit this text, you will hit the edit option and you will start to make changes to the text as required. The key areas to make changes to are all photos must be submitted by Thursday, the 17th of April, 12 p.m. If you want to extend that or change it, please change this to let them know when you'll be drawing the prizes and how you will announce the winners. The most important part, however, is your prizes. We've had some people give away some extraordinary things in this, like holidays, huge hampers. So we look forward to you coming up with something creative, and we'd love to see some of your results and what people are winning. But in the prizes section, you need to type what does first prize get, second prize, third prize, and if you want to have some runners up, put them in as well. You'll also see there's some T's and C's at the bottom. Feel free to change these as required. Now, once you've edited all your text, you can hit save and you can save and close the template. We will then need you to go to your record in your database. So this is my record inside my database, and I want to send a test of this to myself by going send email 2025 and loading the template. It should have all of your changes done, and you'll then need to hit send. And send will send a copy of the PDF attachment they're going to print out for their kids to color in. When you send this, it will end up in your inbox, and you just need to read over it and make sure you're happy with it and that you get the attachment. And here we can see the tests that I got into my inbox. So here's the email, here's the attachment. It all looks great. It's got my changes in it, and I can open up the PDF to see the example of what the kids are going to be coloring in this year. Now, once you're happy with the test, let's look at how you send it. It's a very simple bulk email to your whole database. You will click on the clients area. You will then go into the send function, send email, and it will get everyone in your database who has an email ready to send. We then type in the 2025 into our select template. It will load your template, which you can read over quickly, and it will have the attachment. The one thing you will have to pick is if you want to send this from one particular person in your office, but most of the time you want to send it from the assigned agent. So this means it will go from agent A to their clients, agent B to their clients from them. When you're ready to send, you can send it now or you can send later by picking a date and time in the future. Let's say I want to send this tomorrow at 12 p.m. and then you confirm how many people it's going to and hit send. This has booked my email in for tomorrow at 12 p.m., but you could send yours instantly. This will then send the email off instantly or at the time that you've booked. You're going to get a lot of people reply. You're going to get a lot of people submit their competitions from their kids. And we really honestly hope this gets some great community involvement with your database and can lead to some future business as well. All the best with your Easter campaign for 2025. And if you have a chance, let us know who your winners are. Send us some copies. We'd love to share them with our Locked On users too. See you later, guys.